So foundation repair can be expensive, and sometimes it can be, just out of range and seem like it just can't be done due to the price. And a lot of times with financing, you have a high percentage rate that makes it where you can't do it. But we do have a financing that we offer that's a 0% APR financing. So we scoured the internet to find the very best financing for your foundation repair project. We have a company called Green Sky where you can finance up to 4 years with 0% interest, among other loans that we offer. But what's the catch? Do you have to choose 4 years? Well, you don't. We have a lot of financing that we offer, and we're going to get into a little bit of that in just a second. So we have a number of financing options that are available to you. We have 12 months, no payments, no interest financing that we offer. We have a 24-month, no interest with payments that we offer. We have a true 0% interest for over the course of 3 years that we offer. We also have a 15-year financing, which is a great option at 6.99% interest, which has a very low monthly payment. Now, personally, I wouldn't want to pay that off over 15 years. It's something that you can pay off early, so you can get the job done with low monthly payments and pay it off when you can. Typically, I give, although we have a lot of choices, I think the two best, in my personal opinion, are going to be the 12 months, no payments, no interest financing, which on that, the goal is to pay it off before 12 months. And if you pay it off before 12 months, it's a great deal. So, you're not paying any payments, no interest. That's great if you can pay it off before 12 months. Now, the other one that I highly recommend is the 15-year financing at 6.99% interest, because that gets you a very, very low payment. An example of that, on a $25,000 loan, you're going to have a $225 a month payment. So it's very low, and that's something that can be paid off early. So I think those are the two best options. You can apply straight through Green Sky. What I do with my customers is I send out the link to our article that we've written about Green Sky financing. In there, it has all of the loan codes. It has their phone number and web address, and you can just call in, give them our merchant number and the loan code you want to do, and you can get set up that way. We have a way where it's not going to affect your credit while applying. It'll be a soft hit to your credit, and then once we find out that you would be eligible, then at that point it would affect your credit. So, but we can, to answer that question, we can do it to where it doesn't. We can see if you qualify where it's a soft hit to your credit rating. Well, Green Sky works with Dalinghaus Construction to offer the loans so that you can get the work done and have that work financed. So what you do is, once you want to move forward with us, you sign the proposal, and then from there we direct you to Green Sky, and you'll have the code that you need. You'll have our merchant code, and they do the financing, and they will pay us directly. There's no catch. What we have is a great offer as far as the financing that we can offer. We have it's 0%, no interest, no payments for 12 months. There's no catch. It's a good program and some great loans so that you can get these projects done and get some peace of mind knowing that your foundation has been fixed. If you hold off on foundation repair, it can get worse, and it's going to affect the value of your home. When you go to sell your home, you're going to have work that either needs to be done, or B, you're going to have to give the buyer a credit or a discount on the price of the home, typically in excess of the cost of the work. We're moving into a buyer's market here, so this really can affect the value of your home. You're also likely going to have cracking in your walls. It doesn't look good when friends and neighbors come over, and you're just it's it's the most important thing to have fixed in your house. Nothing more negatively affects the value of your home than foundation problems. Now that you know more about the financing that we offer, if you'd like to move forward, reach out to your project design specialist or our financing department so that you can move forward and get this project done. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to never settle on an unsafe home.